Hey guys, we received this Draw 6-pack LCD writing tablets for kids. 8.5 inches and toddler toy birthday gifts for any person or kids from ages 3 to 8. I will say this can also be used by adult if you want some notes and make it more handy. It's a colorful doodle board with a drawing tablet for learning or education or any other purpose. So there are six individual pack that you can give to others with the different colors and comes in a nice pack or the gift pack where you can use this product, and you can see this is the blue color one, on and off switch, a battery button, and then a styler. So this is on and off switch so that you can start this. This is a stylus that comes, so it's a LCD screen in a single color with a sensitive stylus and a lock key with a border clear button. So writing is very easy, as you can see. It's very crisp writing that you can do. Press the button, everything is gone and ready to rewrite. You can replace the batteries that comes, and you can just use it for months with one battery. So with that lock button, it's easy that you cannot just lock and erase it. But if you want to erase, you can just unlock it and you can erase this. So a nice writing tab for the kids, 6-pack, and you can use it as a writing board, as a paper saving, or you know any other purpose you want to use. So I like this because of the smooth writing and then the curving and the things. Even a kid can easily do the stuff and write things on it. And they can also have fun writing this. There's a 5-year-old toddler that is trying to write his ABCD and is excited about this tablet, especially for the color. And then there are combination of different colors. I will try to quickly open all the colors and show you the look. Rest, they all work as same, so there is no other new things to show and say. But I will say it's better for the kids to write. No chalk, no ink, no crayons or any other mess. You can easily write on it. If you want to save it, you can just lock it. If you don't, you can just erase it without that unlock button. So very nice with all these six total tablets with a different color style like the blue, sky blue, pink, green, black, and all these colors. So here like all the six colors that comes and is a really nice pack with the same tablet as I shown all the function. Very nice combination, very nice tablet, 8 inches around, and then good for the kids or the adults. You can also put it on the refrigerator with the magnetic tabs so you can write your to-do list or the grocery list. Combination of nice tablets.